I'm Kristen, and today I'm going to do, I am eventually going to do the 2 front braids, but I'm adding texture to my hair before I start. So let's get into it. This is my mini waver, and there's a whole video already on my mini waver, but today I'm going to combine the mini waver with this volumizer. I think it's been out for a while. I don't know how popular it got, but it's kind of like a waffle iron. So let's get into it. This is the first thing I'm going to use, but first I'm going to brush my hair. So today I'm just using this natural bristle brush. It's already lifted, which I like, and that's all I'm going to do with that one iron. You always want to make sure that you have your bands out and ready, because once you do the braid, you'll be looking around, and have a couple of them just in case you drop some because they're really tiny. So I'm not too particular, so if I grab some of these wavy parts, that's okay. And the best part about this is it's kind of, as restless as the rest of the hair is, that kind of look. So I'm going to braid kind of fast. And I'm also kind of loose but tight braiding. I don't know if you can, just enough so that if I wanted to pancake it, I could pancake it really easily. So that I kind of get that look. Let me get this to the bottom. Oh, what did I say about leaving these things out? See what I mean? And the other thing is they're clear. So if you take them out of the package and put them on the counter, you may never see them again. So yeah. So here's my bands. It looks like I got 2. I put one down. And I'm just going to tie this up. And then I'm going to pancake, which is just when we pull the braid apart like this. Pull them away from each other like that. I'm just going up and down until I get it kind of how I want it. There looks like it would actually look cool to have 2. So I'm going to go ahead and put 2 in here. Yeah, just kind of, playing it how it lies, right? A lot of people do these videos and they use kind of a, messy way of braiding too. So it doesn't really matter how the braid is. A lot of people really like it messy, so don't worry about that. Trying to make it perfect. And let's see if I can find this other one. I put it down on a white surface. Blech. And I'm gonna pancake this one too. You can put these braids anywhere on your head, and they really kind of dress up your look and kind of dress it down at the same time, which is cool. Let me start the other side over. Okay, now I'm gonna start the other side. There's like less hair on this side, so I can already feel that I'm gathering from other spots just to keep the sections almost even. When the hair is like slim, it's kind of like, I don't know, makes it a little less control. So I like to gather a little bit from other spots and that are nearby. See how that, I don't know if I'll get two on this side. I think I might just leave it one because one looks really good. I'm looking for that band. So with this brand, Phyto Specific, it's kind of expensive, so you don't need a lot, and you just can spray where you want it shiny, which I'm just gonna keep down the bottom. All these spray shines kind of cough you up a little bit, so you're not even gonna wanna spray a lot. Spread it around a little. So that's kind of cool. I like it. I'm just gonna separate this section out too. Got a little shine spray on my fingertips, so that's really cute. Give that a try for summer for sure. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll do some more fun hairstyles.